Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Squarespace menu header smaller. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google. You can continue with your working or business email. And you know what? You might want to click on the more options here because you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, to make the header menu smaller on a Squarespace website, you'll typically need to adjust the styling using a custom CSS or with a very straightforward process. Now, it depends on the template of your website, but generally, what you need to do is go to the edit site header, click on it. All right. Now from here, now click on the edit design. As you can see, you need to go to the desktop view because you're not going to be able to, you're not going to make it on the mobile view. Hover again to the desktop view and click on edit. And as you can see, let's drag this down. See that the changes is happening right in front of you, right? All you're gonna do is just play along with the link spacing and the element spacing right here. All right. You can also fix the height right here. Now it depends again on your preferences. You can make it a full, right? Right here, or you can also put some fixed position if you wanted, and that means it's not gonna move a lot, right? And that's basically how you make your Squarespace menu header smaller. It's very easy. And again, let me tell you that it only happens, or it depends again on your website's template. Now, another way for us to be able to adjust the Squarespace menu is through the CSS custom editor. And for us to be able to do that, we need to exit. But for now, if you are happy with the changes, click on save and click on exit. Now from here, click on the pages and go to the website tools and hover to the custom CSS. And from here, all I'm gonna do is paste this custom code right here, and that's how you make Squarespace menu header smaller. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.